Hey, my name is Tony, and I'm an experienced climber. I've got an upcoming trip to Rio planned with a friend, and there we would love to go about doing some climbs. I've actually been to Rio before and done some climbs in the past with a guide, but this time we'd like to go without a guide. As a climber, whenever I see a mountain, I want to be at the very top. If you've never done a climb before, I urge you to do so. The experience is absolutely wonderful. In the past, I've always found it very difficult to find information about going about doing a climb, especially when traveling in foreign countries. When one goes about doing a climb, you need to know a lot of information, such as the type of climb that you might be going on. So essentially, climbing is a very dangerous and treacherous sport, and one needs to know a lot of information in order to go about doing the climb safely. So therefore, a friend recently recommended a site called Beta Climbs that solves all of these problems. Beta is actually a term in the climbing community that stands for information about a climb. And just so we have some lingo that you guys know about climbs, a mountain is called a spot. Each spot has several paths, and these paths are called routes. When one goes about doing a route, it is called an ascent. All right. Wow, this website's beautiful. I'm a bit of a picky climber, so go ahead for an advanced search. All right, I know where I'm going. No need to put in the name. I think I'll go for a traditional or sport climb. Not a big boulder guy. I know that we're going to go for my experience levels around a 3 to 7, so we'll go ahead and plug that in. All right, everybody hop off the Wi-Fi. Killing our connection here. Awesome. Wow. Look at all these spots. Let's look at the map and see what's out there in the city. All right. Catagalo. Looks cool. Interesting. Moro. Ooh, Pau de Açúcar. Heard some really awesome things about this one. Sorry, Pon. My Portuguese is not too good. All right. Let's check here. Coringo. Looks not too difficult and right up my alley. I think it'd be a great one to start off with when we go about this trip. All right, let's see. Looks like it's perfect for beginners. Nice one to start off with. And it goes through a forest. Looks sweet. All right, let's check the latest ascents. This looks like where you get that updated information. They said it's not too crowded, and that was a very recent review. Awesome. Let's add it to our list. Let's go back and see what else is out there in this beautiful city. What is this here? As de espadas. Let's see. Looks pretty challenging. Oh, warning. What is this? Oh, man. Freaking birds and nests. What is that? That's cool, though. It says that there's another one called Italiano on this same mountain. Let's check it out. Italianos, it's right there. Let's see what it entails. And it's a 5, not too bad. All right, super famous, sweet, looks like it'd be awesome. All right, 30-minute walk, not too bad. Let's check out some of the recent reviews that the climbers mentioned. All right, trust your feet, not bad. Man, look at this. This guy got pooped on and he still gave it 4 stars. Wild. All right, let's go ahead and add it to our wish list. Awesome. Let's go back and see what else is on the Pão de Açúcar mountain. I remember that last time I was in Rio, I actually went to this mountain and did a route myself. I wonder if it's listed. Oh, wow, it doesn't look to be on there. Let's go ahead and add it. All right, gonna go ahead and check my handy-dandy notebook. Let's see if, there it is. Oh, sweet. Okay, yeah, I remember it was 3, traditional. That's right. Let's go ahead and add some photos. I had some killer ones. Would love to share those with others. Yeah, definitely keep it to the climbing photos only. All right, let's add another. Oh, man, what a photo. The community is going to love this. All right, let's go ahead and create it. I wonder what it looks like for others to view. Let's go ahead and take a look. I think I'll add my ascent there so that people will, so I can rate and review and people will know about how the current conditions are. Even though when I went, it was on, January 15th. Oh, nice, so easy. All right, Man, so much to say, but I'll keep it simple. Freaking awesome. Oh, definitely gonna give this bad boy 5 stars. All right, let's go ahead and check our profile to see what we've done. All right, let's go to the Ascents. I wonder if that one's listed. Oh, nice. Can't wait to add more. Let's check our wish list to see what we've got planned. Nice. Some killer climbs. Well, I've got to get back to work now, but I think I'll add more later. Thanks, Beta Climbs. You're the best.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Floriane. I've been living in Rio for a bit more than a year now. I really enjoy living here. I mean, Rio is beautiful. From the mountains to the city, just incredible nature. But there's one thing that really bothers me. Plastic trash everywhere. Each time I go hiking or running or when I just go to the beach, I'm shocked by the amount of plastic bags, plastic bottles, plastics in all its possible forms. I don't know if you've ever had the same feeling. Please raise your hand if you also feel bad about plastic pollution. Thank you. So usually when I see plastic trash, I grab them, but then I cannot find like appropriate recycle bins around me. Fortunately, I've heard about a very nice web application called Deplastify. So let's see how it works. Disgusted with plastic litter? Yes. Looking for a place to dispose plastic? Yes. Deplastify will help me recycle, and I will earn discounts and other benefits. Sounds perfect. It seems that the only thing I have to do is to find a store near me where I'll be able to deposit the plastic I grab and to get benefits, get discounts in return. So let's see that the stores that are around me. There seems to be a lot. Let's check this one in Catech, because it's on my way home. Okay, cool. Oxlane, Rua do Catech, it's like next door. Let's see what they do. Nice. So they do sustainable fashion. They promote circular economy and recycling. Sounds perfect. And if I go there and if I deposit the plastic I grab, it seems that I will get a free T-shirt, as sustainable as possible T-shirt. So I want it. I get the voucher. Cool. So the voucher with the QR code has been prepared. The only thing I have to do is to bring this plastic to Oslo and to present it to the store owner that will scan it. So I go to Oslo, I bring my plastic, and I will look at the store because I don't know the store, and it's probably an eco-friendly store that I don't know yet. So the only thing she has to do when I arrived in the store is to scan the QR code that is here. So this QR code is valid. Now I can get the... the QR code is valid, and I can get this amazing and sustainable free T-shirt. So overall, I really like the experience, and I really encourage you to try it and to be part of our Deplastify community, because single-use plastic is a human addiction that is destroying our planet. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for coming. Please, who here have kids? Raise your hands, please. Okay, there's some kids, all right. Well, I'm a father too. I have a daughter. Her name is Liz, and I love my daughter. But I'm a new parent, and as a new parent, like most of us, there's a lot of things to learn and we don't sleep anymore. And well, you obviously have to remember a lot of things, especially when she gets sick and I need to go to a pediatrician or an emergency hospital and remember a lot of details about her condition, like how many times she had fever and what was the medicine that we used and what was the temperature and a lot of stuff. So being a new parent is really, really tough. There's a lot of things to process and to remember. It's really complicated. But I heard about a new app for that, and it's called Baby Steps. So let's check it out. We can scroll a little bit. So this new app is focused on helping new parents to track her child's routine. And let's scroll a little bit more. So it's special, very good for medical situations, like sharing information with doctors and for emergencies with kids too. So let's check my daughter's profile. Okay, that's Liz. It's very cute, right? And here we can see a lot of things to track, like feeding or crying or even bruise. It's sad, but it's very usual. And afternoon, I changed her diaper, and I totally forgot to track it. So I'll do this right now. Clicking on diaper changing, it was like 4 p.m., so I can update it. All right. And she peed and she pooped too, so let's check it. It's very common, guys. And okay, save it. And all right, no color, please, come on. Respect her privacy. Okay, tracked. And now I'm gonna see history for check this new information. Okay, diaper changing, like in the top of her timeline. And well, tomorrow we're gonna have an appointment with her pediatrician, and I would like to share this information with her doctor. So clicking on share, we can copy this link, and I will send it to the doctor, and we can check this information tomorrow together. And I remember that usually in this kind of appointments, the doctor takes her height and her weight to follow her development. And now, in the beginning, we used to track this information in an old paper notebook. It's pretty awful. But now it's not a problem anymore because I can use baby steps using my phone. So during the appointment, when the doctor takes her height and her weight, I can grab my phone, click on the app, and with this information, I can just click on chart, and I can insert these new values on these graphic charts for height and weight, and now I can check and follow the development of my kid in a very, very easy way. So now I think I really solved this problem because I can track anything that happened with her routine, and I'm totally ready for any kind of medical emergency. So being a new parent is really tough and hard, but it's not an impossible thing. You just need baby steps. Thank you, everyone.